Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, Jeep Wrangler 4-door Sahara 2013. All in all, in extremely good condition. As you can see, it does have the upgraded front center bumper, which is this section right here. All in all, it's not scratched up, not dented up on the front. Whoever did own this took very good care of it. Painted fender flares on the side, upgraded factory blacked out rims right there. Those are Jeep rims. I'd say the tread depth on this tire is 75 to 80%. So all in all, in really good condition on tires. Like I said, it is a 4-door, and it does have the 3-piece painted hardtop, which is an upgrade from the manufacturer when purchasing this vehicle brand new. Has the trailer tow package located down there with your 7-pin wiring hookup. All in all, a hard vehicle to find, especially with them blacked out rims and a painted hardtop. Usually a lot of times it's just going to be a black hardtop. It's not going to be painted, but it's definitely a nice feature to have on the Wrangler when it does match the rest of the vehicle. Power locks, as you can see here. Cloth interior. On the steering wheel on the left hand side, you have all the buttons that are going to operate your instrument cluster, which is going to show you everything from what direction you're going to even what temperature it is outside. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you do have all your options for your cruise control. And then on the back hand side of the steering wheel, you have all the options to operate your radio, whether it's change your station or increase or decrease the volume. You have a CD player right here, AM, FM, satellite radio capability on this vehicle, power windows for all 4 of your side windows. All your climate control settings are located right down here. Your side mirrors are located right here. These are power also. Automatic transmission. Some storage units. You have a small one up top right there, and then you have a larger one underneath there, underneath that small one, and there's a nice little armrest on top. You do have a AC plug, which is kind of hard to see, located right there on that center console. Just like the driver's seat, everything seems to be in really good condition. Upgraded floor mats throughout this vehicle. Nice slush mats, they're easy to clean. With this being a 3-piece hardtop, makes it extremely easy. You can take out, this is section 1, this is section 2, and then section 3 is your whole rear. So you can take out just section 1 and section 2 if you like, and these pieces do fit safely and securely in the back of the Jeep, which I'll show you. And they do weigh about 20 pounds a piece, so they're very easy to do by yourself. In the back of this Jeep, just like the front, everything seems to be in very good condition. And just like the front, you do have that upgraded slush mat along the bottom there. Also, like I did mention up front, you do have that upgraded front bumper, or that grille. If you do not like that, they did give us the factory grille, and we laid it in the back of the Jeep for you. But them through the 2 pieces of that front hardtop, they do lay safely and securely back here. So if when you have the top off and you want to leave them back here in case it starts raining, you can definitely do so. Upgraded subwoofer from the manufacturer. That's an Alpine subwoofer. Definitely a nice feature to have. So if you're looking for a blacked out Jeep Wrangler Sahara, this may be the one for you. Painted hardtop, very, very clean inside and out. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle on our website, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.